Metal roofing for commercial buildings is hands down one of the smartest choices out there if you want something tough, long-lasting, and low maintenance. So, if you're thinking about going with a metal roof, here's the deal. First, pick the right type of metal. Steel and aluminum are super popular because they resist rust and stand up to harsh weather. Next, don't forget about the coating. A good finish not only makes your roof look sharp, but also helps prevent corrosion and extends its life. Also, make sure to choose a reputable installer who knows their stuff, since proper installation is key to avoiding leaks and other problems later on. Think about the insulation too. Metal roofs can get hot or cold fast, so adding insulation keeps your building comfortable and energy efficient. Don't overlook ventilation. Good airflow under the roof prevents moisture buildup and keeps things dry. And if you want to get fancy, there are tons of color and style options that let you match your building's vibe or branding. Maintenance-wise, metal roofs are pretty chill. They don't need much besides occasional cleaning and inspections after storms. Lastly, always check your local building codes before you start, because some places have specific rules about materials and installation. One of the biggest screw-ups with metal roofing is picking the wrong metal type for your climate, which can lead to rust or warping. Fix this by doing your homework and choosing metals like aluminum for coastal areas or galvanized steel for general use. Another common problem is poor installation, like if the panels aren't sealed right or fastened securely, water can sneak in. Make sure to hire certified pros with solid reviews to dodge this headache. Lastly, skipping maintenance is a classic mistake. People assume metal roofs don't need care, but dirt buildup or small dents can cause bigger issues down the road. Simple yearly inspections and cleaning keep your roof in prime shape. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle metal roofing and other big jobs without stress. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors to connect with people looking for quality work, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.